Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to download TikTok on your laptop with Windows 11. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Chrome Web Store and press Enter. The Google Chrome Web Store is a place where you can download a variety of extensions for your browser. Once you are on the Web Store page, look at the top left corner where you will see a search bar that says Search the Store. In this search bar, type TikTok for desktop and press Enter. You will see a list of extensions related to TikTok. Find the one called TikTok for desktop and click on it. This will take you to the page where you can add this extension to Chrome. Next, click on the Add to Chrome button. This will add the extension to your browser. Once the extension is added, you will notice a new icon at the top right of your browser. The icon will appear. Click on that icon and it will open TikTok in a format similar to how it looks on Android or iPhone. Now, you can watch videos on TikTok just like you would on your phone. You can scroll through the feed, explore different sounds, and search for hashtags. However, at the moment, you cannot log into your account or create content directly through this extension. But you can still watch the trending videos and download them by clicking on the download icon next to each video. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.